Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mayborn Lingdoar talking to you after a very long time. Well, a lot of people have been asking me lately what, according to me, is love. What is love? Some have texted me on Instagram, some have texted me on Facebook, and even on WhatsApp. They want to know what is love. Well, today is that day that I'm going to tell you what do I feel about love. Love, according to me, is undeducible. Love is not a definition. Love is not something that you can describe. Love is not something that you can explain. Love is undeducible. Love is when you have everything to give and you have nothing to expect in return. Love means to give away your life for that one person or for the people that you love. It can be your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your parents, your siblings, your friends, and even strangers. Love is what Jesus did for us. Love is the cross. And if you want to really know what love is, try to seek God, and He will answer. You will see that you're not perfect. You're not worthy to be invested upon. You do not deserve all these gifts, all these blessings that you have, but yet you're alive, you're blessed, and most importantly, you have a shot at redemption. Jesus is love. Love is God. God is love. Thank you, everyone. Peace.